have the, Garrett, can we turn the lights?
Can I turn it here?
Yep. So now we're at the section where we'll do the, Nina will lead the artwork that if you would like to be a part of.
Everybody take a pen and a paper, and you can keep the pen at the end. And everybody take out your cell phones. Take out your cell phones. And maybe Gogo and will help you find the voice memo. We need to put the directions on the slide. Yeah. We're going to have the directions in English and in German on the screen. And here, everybody takes a pen and a paper and your cell phone. Take out your handy.
Ja, ich
Yeah, you have it.
Also, mit dem geht nicht.
Gibt es Fleckwerk?
And everybody find voice memo.
Also wenn man Audio aufnehmen kann.
Maybe less English, more German. Scroll it up. Can you scroll it up? Can you make it larger? Yeah, there it is. It's in German. Okay. Does everybody have? Okay. So everybody find the voice memo. Everybody find the voice memo on your cell phone. Including Didi.
You want to describe how to wrap the paper?
Yeah, I'm going to find. Everybody, first find your voice memo. That's what you have to do first. And turn the voice memo so you can see that it's ready, right? And then you place the paper around your phone, like so, and slide it over the voice, the red dot, because you can press through and it will record. So at the count of, okay. So everybody has their paper wrapped around? Like so. So it's like that and like that. In the back. And this is the front. Okay. And you have your pen ready. The top is off on your pen. Can you take the top off your pen? Yeah. Take the top off your pen. So it's ready to make the sound of a circle. So do you have a piece of paper? Yeah. Oh, okay. Everybody has a paper, and it's wrapped around like that. So it's like that.
My phone has it unstable, it's on paper.
Yeah.
So it's really, no, it's okay. It's really important that no one makes a sound for the minute, because it defeats the purpose of the music you're making right now.
So what's going to happen is that you'll be recording, you're making a sound of the sound of a circle. You're going to be drawing on the paper, on your screen, for a whole minute. And you can do it hard, you can do it soft, you can do it fast, you can do it slow, however you want. But when John counts down, you'll press the record, and everybody's quiet, and it begins drawing the circle for 1 minute. And then we're going to play it back, everybody together, in silence, and you'll hear this sound. Get it?
It sounds way cooler than that.
Yeah. Okay, so.
Yeah, so, and I'll do, because we can't make noise, I'll just do a visual count, but it doesn't matter that you are exactly a minute. It's just that when we play back, we want it to all be like everyone's doing something. So, but it's just important that there's no, I'll count down. I'll say probably verbally in the beginning, and then you'll just see me have no fingers. Then you should start. And then I'll do the same after a minute. So you know what a minute is. But don't worry about it too much. Just look up at the point when you think, oh, it's time when I should be stopping. Until we'll just try to stay quiet until everyone's done.
So we're gonna count down.
Yeah,
and
you
then,
want me to do it? Ready?
and yeah, and then we press record when he says.
Okay. Say 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Everybody recorded?
Yeah.
Okay, stop. And now we take it off. And then
Yeah, turn your volume up.
and then you turn the volume up. And then we play it back.
Do you want me to do the same thing? Yeah. Okay, I'll do the same thing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, play.
Happy New Year. Oh yeah, yeah. And everybody, please come to the Kunsthalle on Thursday night. There's an opening of a show that I'm in that John mentioned, and it starts at 7:20. The opening, and I welcome you, and I'd love to see you all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Fun.